how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Spider-Man Venom, or a Venom Spider-Man. It's a Venomized Spider-Man. It's a little bit different because it's going to have like Venom's face for the most part, except it's going to have a Spider-Man print on it, okay? So it's going to be relatively simple for beginners, so jump along with me and I'm going to go through this very, relatively quickly, about 8 minutes or so, maybe 9 minutes, and stay all the way to the very end, because then you'll have that skill. So, alrighty. Before I do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Spider-Man, if you like learning how to draw different things, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification, and that's going to let you know every time I post a video. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with the eyes. And it's going to be a little bit wobbly. Let's do the top of one eye. Go over here, pull out. It's gonna, the side's gonna not be showing, it's just gonna curve along the side. Go over here, with the other eye on this side. Gonna be kind of wobbly. Pull over here, and this one we're gonna see the entire eyeball on that side. Line up. Here for the angry face. Anger. I'm going to go right here and draw the top of the skull next. So I'm going to go over here and start curly here. Put the top of the skull there. Go over here and find the cheek on the side. Yeah. I'm going to draw the lip right here. It's a little bit of a curve here. In. Pulling out. And find the other lip. Gonna draw the teeth, the top row. The top row is just a bunch of triangles, right? Different sizes. I like to vary up the size of the triangles so that it looks a little bit more natural. Forgive my voice is kind of out. Gonna go here, down. I'm going to go here and find the tongue. So I'm going to start here on this side, curve up, a wild tongue. I'm going to pull back, giving that tongue some depth. And before I make it all the way back in here, I'm going to draw the bottom row of teeth a little bit over here. Just some. And I'm going to draw more teeth. I'm going to draw a line down. That's not quite the edge of the lip yet. What that is a skin flap. That's when your Venom opens its mouth, you see like this flap of skin on the inside. That's how it's curved down. Here. Putting those teeth there a little bit more. Let me put a little gum line there. I'm going to go over here, bottom of the chin, out, and up. Pull over here for the neck, and pull on this side, maybe for the, right here, for the other part of the neck. So, let's go in a little bit, right? Let's pull the other part of the tongue as it goes into the mouth here. I'm going to go over here, pull out. Curve up. Putting a little bit of shadow down there, like it's touching the tongue here a little bit. Like the shadow from the mouth. But like all I did was really double up that line, triple up that line. Put a little bit of shadow as well over here underneath the tongue. There's going to be very little light catching. Draw a line here, a line here for the throat, curving line. So kind of the stuff like that. So now let's draw the Spider-Man print. Let's start in the middle of the face here. And same thing, I draw that little burst. It's almost like a burst shape. We start one here, curve up, pull out. Pull out here, right here, right here, right here. They're radiating out to the center there. All over here. And I'm going to keep the line thinner. That's a big thing. Keep that line thinner, because then it will look like a design. Or on the neck, it's going to be more like just kind of cross here. So keep remembering to make that line thinner. Okay. Curve here for the web. Curve for that other web pattern. Curve over here. Curve over here. Just kind of keep it going around. Remember, it has to be thinner, or it's going to completely overwhelm the design. Curve over here. And I think down the neck you can draw a straight line. So, draw straight lines just down the neck here. Alright. One more thing I would do is actually bold out the eyes for this design right here. Give it like a bolder line like this. Let's get a little bit more value. And that's pretty much it. You can always add maybe like another line down here underneath the tongue, a little bit more dimension. But it's up to you. So definitely, decide whether that's for you or not. And that is a Spider-Man Venom. I hope you found that enjoyable. If you did, hit the like. Also, if you found value from this video, please share it with a friend. That would really help the channel out a lot with the algorithm. But if you can hear my voice right now, say hi to me in the comment section, and I will say hi back to every single comment. Alright? Talk to you later, and I'll see you soon. Keep it easy, guys.